Right, the second order RK method is given by H times W1 K1 plus W2 K2. Here K1 is equal to our FT or simply equal to F, and our K2 is given by what? By K2 according to this formula here, when S is equal to 2. It's going to be given by that. So this is F T plus A2 if I want A2H, comma Y plus H times beta, supposed to be beta what? Beta 2 1 if I want, by K1. But K1 is nothing but F. Right, so that K2, I need to expand this in Taylor series. This is given by F T at Y plus A2H partial F partial T plus my beta 21H K1 by partial F partial Y. Right, I can truncate this point plus all higher order terms H3. Right, is that so? Right, comparing this now, in fact, taking Y T plus H minus YT, and we truncate for all third order terms. We keep up to H2. Right, that's all the O3 terms. This reduces to YT plus H minus YT is equal to H times F plus H squared over 2 times Y double prime. It's Y double prime is this one here. Y double prime is nothing but FT plus F at Y, right, plus those other order terms. I think I need to box this. Right, I'll go back to this equation here and substitute for K2. We have Y T plus H minus YT is equal to what? H W1 by K1, but K1 is nothing but F plus, in fact, let me put the square bracket here, plus W2 by K2, but K2 is nothing but what? F is K2, F plus A2H FT plus beta 21 H by K1, but K1 is F at Y. Right, then we close the small bracket here, then we close the square bracket again here, and then we compare these last two equations that I've just boxed here. is comparing coefficient by coefficient. If I take the h by f terms, h by f terms is going to be this plus that. End up with w1 plus w2 is equal to 1. And then compare the h squared ft terms. H squared by ft terms, I end up with what? With a2 w2, because there's an h by h, so this becomes h squared, is equal to 1 over 2. And then if I compare the h squared fy terms, I end up with what? With w2 beta 21 equal to 1 over 2. Right, and then I've got this system of 3 equations in 4 unknowns. Right, and which means I can choose. I've got 1 degree of freedom there. I can choose one of those parameters arbitrarily, and the common choices, one of them is when we choose a2 to be equal to beta 1. Right. If I choose beta 1 equal to a2 equal to 1. Right. If I make this choice here, I'll end up with what? This implies w2 equal to w1 equal to 1 over 2. That's the implication. So that my RK method becomes then what? Y t plus h minus yt is equal to h times, I can factor out the 1 over 2 w, so in fact k1 becomes k1 plus k2, where k1 is equal to f t at y, and my k2 is equal to what? F t plus h, comma, y plus h. Is this thing? This one, k2, this is 1, h by k1, but k1 is f1, so this is times f t of y, and then we close this bracket here, and alternatively I can rewrite this as y